Check out this GMC 2022 Yukon XL Denali. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include preferred equipment Group 5 SA, 3.23 rear axle ratio, wheels, 20x9 6-spoke polished aluminum, wheels, 22x9 bright machined aluminum, wheel locks, front bucket seats, perforated leather seating surfaces, powerly second-row bucket seats and not equipped with 4-way driver and FR-Pass BWR lumbar. This vehicle shows low mileage and is a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.